Want the great look and elegant stance? It all begins with good posture. The most helpful way to enhance your posture is to concentrate on activities that strengthen your core, the abs, and the low back muscles that link to your spine and pelvis. Many of these muscles drive your torso by bending, extending, or turning your spine. Other muscles stabilize your pelvis and spine in a neutral position. In today's video on Pars Health TV channel, we are going to be sharing with you 7 of these exercises that can improve these muscles and, consequently, improve your posture. Number 7. Single leg extension. This activity strengthens your core muscles to function together to stabilize your hip. To do this exercise, you should lie on your back with your knees flexed, feet flat on the floor, and hands behind your head. Put your low back into the floor, and bend your head up off the floor. Then, exhale powerfully and draw your navel in and up toward the spine. Gradually pull one knee into your chest, holding your low back pushed to the ground while extending your other leg straight, keeping it at a 45-degree angle off the ground. Hold your abs pulled in and your low back on the floor. If your low back turns off the floor, raise your leg higher toward the ceiling. Change legs. Begin with 5 to 10 extensions on each side. If you want to increase the intensity of this exercise, pull both knees into your chest, then extend both legs straight at about a 45-degree angle, utilizing your core to support your low back on the floor. Or, as you raise your legs, extend both arms overhead, reaching in the opposing direction from your legs. Number 6. Pilates Roll Up. This activity works the rectus abs, obliques, and transverse abs, the deepest core muscles surrounding your waist and pulling your abdomen inward and upward toward your spine. To do this exercise, you should lie on your back with your legs straight, your feet bent, and your arms reached overhead on the floor. Push your low back into the floor. Exhale strongly and pull your navel in and up toward your spine. Roll up in slow motion. Try to reach your arms off the floor, then your shoulders and head, rolling up one vertebra at a time until you're sitting up with your abs still pulled in. Gradually roll back down. Repeat 5 times, adding more as your core gets stronger. You can also cross your arms over your chest as you do roll-ups. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 of our list. Number 5. Cobra Pose. This move supports the erector spinae, which are the back muscles that stretch your spine and control slouching, and other low back muscles. To start this pose, lie on your belly with palms flat on the ground near your ribs. Extend your legs directly behind you, and push the tops of your feet into the floor. Exhale strongly and tighten your ab muscles in and up toward your spine. Extend through your spine and gradually raise your head and chest off the ground, utilizing only your back muscles. Do not press down into your arms to push up. Maintain your hip bones on the floor, and gaze down at the floor to relax your neck muscles. Gently lower back down. Repeat 5 times, increasing more as your lower back gets stronger. You can reach your arms long beside your head. Maintain your elbows straight. Number 4. Plank Pose. This training movement strengthens the obliques and transverse abs, as well as your shoulder and back muscles. Begin with your hands and knees and put your palms under the shoulders. Raise both legs straight behind you, toes tucked under, into a pose like the top of a push-up. Tighten your ab muscles to stop a sway back and stare down at the floor. Keep the plank until you begin feeling fatigued. Rest and then repeat. Maintain your abs pulled in and up, so your low back doesn't sag as you exhale. To increase the intensity, you can balance on your forearms instead of your hands. Number 3. Reverse Plank Bridge. The reverse plank bridge works specific muscles while stretching critical muscles like your pectoral muscles and the muscles in your neck. This activity needs the following. Maintain your arms straight and stretch your shoulders back. Bring your shoulder blades together. Tuck your chin. Press your chest up and extend your spine. Your fingers can be pointed forward or backward. Number 2. Forward fold. This exercise is great for releasing tension in your spine, hamstring, and your glutes. If you do this standing stretch correctly, you should feel the opening and lengthening of the whole backside of your body. To do this excellent exercise, you should just stand with your toes touching, then get your hands to your hips and fold forward at your hips. Release your hands toward the floor as far as you can. It is okay to not touch the ground. You should have a slight curve on your knee to control some damage. Let your spine lengthen, then release and soften your hip joints. Your chin should be into your chest, and your head should fall heavy to the floor. Keep the pose for up to 1 minute. Number 1. Dolphin Pose. This pose could be considered a great whole body workout. It improves your flexibility and opens your back, shoulders, spine, and hips. It works on the core muscles and hamstrings, too. Other physical benefits could be a help to reduce blood pressure and improve the nervous system because of its inverted V position. It increases your blood flow to the brain, which also causes mental benefits like improving concentration, memory, awareness, and decreasing depressive symptoms. The Dolphin Pose is famous for fighting insomnia and headache among yoga poses. It is not difficult to do. Imagine you want to make a triangle with your body and the ground. Straighten your entire legs, toes on the floor, heels are about an inch up the floor. Now slightly put your elbows on the floor, your arms should touch your ears, and your back should be completely straight. This is an inverted V position. You can place your palms either on the floor or hold them together. Keep in mind that sitting is just part of the problem. We see similar postural imbalances in those who stand all day as well. The real problem is not taking regular breaks, not being aware of your posture throughout the day, and just not moving enough. So focus on improving those aspects while containing the routines mentioned in this video. What do you do to correct your posture? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.